Earthquakes. We've all heard of earthquakes, but what are they and how do they happen? An earthquake is tectonic plates quickly shifting at the fault line, which causes the top layer of Earth to shake. But that's a little confusing, so let's break this down. Tectonic plates are pieces of Earth's crust, but under that is a constantly moving liquid layer. Its constant moving causes the Earth crust to be so stressed it cracks, creating a fault line. These pieces of Earth, tectonic plates, are always moving, but during an earthquake, they move quickly by the fault line. Do they affect us? As you can see in this surveillance video of a home experience a 7.1 magnitude earthquake in California last year, yes, they do. During an earthquake, the land shakes vigorously, which can cause much destruction. The destruction can go from knocking over a bookcase to knocking over cities. Many people have lost their homes to earthquakes. For example, over 3.5 million people were stranded after the Kashmir earthquake in Pakistan. The Kashmir earthquake was a huge earthquake by the Kashmir mountain. The Kashmir was a really big earthquake, but that wasn't in the United States. The largest earthquake in the U.S. was in Prince William Sound, Alaska, on March 28, 1964. This earthquake only killed 131 people, even though it was so big, probably because not a lot of people live in Alaska. The earthquake's magnitude was 9.2. Magnitude is the measurement of an earthquake. Magnitude is used to measure the overall size of an earthquake. Magnitude levels are ranked 1 to 10, 10 being the highest and 1 the lowest. They find magnitude by measuring seismic waves. Seismic waves are energy and vibrations. The seismic waves are measured by a seismometer. The seismometer detects the waves in zigzags. The United States Geological Survey, known as the USGS, is responsible for tracking earthquake activity in America. The USGS has never predicted a major earthquake and does not currently know how to. To predict an earthquake, you must define multiple things, including a date and a time, a location, and a magnitude, which they are working on the technology to accomplish these things. Some people believe that earthquakes can be predicted by things like other smaller earthquakes, chemicals in the water, and strange animal behavior, but these are not scientific methods. As you have learned in this video, earthquakes are natural disasters that can have a huge impact on people's lives. Hopefully in the future, through science, we can learn how to predict and maybe even prevent earthquakes.